Hi, this is my '08 Buick Lacrosse. My wiper fluid wasn't working. I didn't know why. I recently just fixed it, and I'm going to show a nice, clever way to help you identify the problem quicker. I did a lot of research before doing this, and I didn't find it satisfactory, which is why I'm making this video. For this car, the wipers are under the hood a little bit, so I'll have to pop the hood. So for those of you who don't know, this is the reservoir where your wiper fluid will go in, and then you have a kind of hose right there that wraps through and around to right here and to right there. I can see water coming out of both sides. It's important to test for that because one nozzle may not be working. And of course, if that doesn't work, or if you have a feeling that the other nozzles or one of the few nozzles aren't working, that's where we move to the next step. This next step is the trick that I was talking about. Instead of the other steps people will normally have you go through, what I did is I removed the hose right here. The reason for removing the hoses like this, so they're no longer attached, what you are looking for is to make sure that these are actually pumping out washer fluid. If these aren't pumping out washer fluid, then this hose is clogged, or something is wrong further into the car, like with the pumps or other things, which we're not getting into in this video. If the hoses did work the way that we saw, we are now going to work at actually cleaning out these nozzles. So there are a few different things you can do, and we're going to show. Best thing you can do is to get something really small. In my case, I got a safety pin, and you're going to take that safety pin, or whatever small item that can actually fit in that tiny nozzle, and you're basically just going to push through in case there is any water that froze in there or anything, just to poke through in a straight fashion so we don't, of course, mess up the hose, to unclog it. And mine are already unclogged, so I can't really show you, but that is exactly what you do. That is exactly what I did to unclog it. You do that for each one, and then after you do all four of them, you test them to see if any are still clogged, and you repeat the process again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you out. Please like, comment, share your ideas and such. And definitely share this with people if they're having car problems. I know I'm always trying to avoid the mechanic so I don't give out an arm and a leg, but definitely help them out if you can. Give some ideas. And again, thanks for watching this, and enjoy. Safe travels.